Which gaming mouse is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, BENGOO Gaming Mouse. First up is the BENGOO Gaming Mouse. Priced at just $10.99, this mouse caught my attention with its ergonomic design and adjustable DPI settings. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers decent performance, this is worth a serious look. This mouse features 4 adjustable DPI settings up to 3600. That means you can tailor the speed to fit your gaming style, whether you're sniping from a distance or up close in a fast-paced brawl. It has 6 programmable buttons, giving you the flexibility to set custom commands for quicker responses during gameplay. Plus, the RGB backlighting adds a fun flair to your gaming setup. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those customizable buttons can be a game changer when you're in the heat of battle, allowing for quick access to vital commands without fumbling around. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit plasticky. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's not a deal breaker. It's lightweight and comfortable, making it perfect for casual gamers who aren't looking to spend a fortune. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious gamer looking for a reliable mouse. Skip this one if you need something extra durable for hardcore gaming sessions. For just under $11, it's a steal. Now, if the BENGOO's durability concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Redragon M612 Predator. Next, we have the Redragon M612 Predator, priced at $15.89. The first thing that caught my eye was its 8000 DPI capability. If you're looking for precision and customization, this one is definitely worth considering. The Redragon boasts 5 adjustable DPI levels ranging from 500 to 8000, making it suitable for various gaming genres. The 11 programmable buttons allow you to set up macros for your favorite games, and the Comfort Grip minimizes fatigue during long sessions. Here's why this matters for you. Having dedicated macro keys can significantly speed up your gameplay, especially in competitive settings. Plus, the RGB backlighting not only looks cool, but also enhances your gaming atmosphere. Some users did mention that the software can be a bit tricky to navigate. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the customization options are fantastic. For those who love to tweak their setups, it's worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable gaming mouse that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup without all the extra features. At under $16, it's a strong contender. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a wireless experience. Product number 3, Logitech G305. Now let's talk about the Logitech G305, which comes in at $29.99. I was genuinely surprised by how lightweight this wireless mouse feels in hand, making it a great choice for gamers on the go. If you need a reliable wireless option, this mouse is definitely worth a look. The LIGHTSPED wireless technology delivers a lag-free experience, allowing you to focus on your gameplay without interruption. Plus, the battery life is impressive. You can get up to 250 hours on a single AA battery. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That long battery life means less time worrying about charging and more time to game. It's designed for portability too, so it's perfect for traveling gamers. Some users have pointed out that it lacks RGB lighting, which is a bummer for those who love flashy setups. But here's the thing, if you value performance over aesthetics, this mouse shines in functionality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, wireless gaming mouse with solid performance. Skip this one if you want something with lots of flashy lights. For $30, it's a great investment. Now, if you're needing something more customizable, let's look at the next product. Product number 4, Razer Basilisk V3. Next up is the Razer Basilisk V3, priced at $34.98. This mouse is a favorite among gamers, and for good reason. If you want a mouse that feels tailor-made for gaming, this is definitely worth your consideration. With up to 26,000 DPI and 11 programmable buttons, the Basilisk V3 offers some serious customization options. The Hyperscroll tilt wheel is a standout feature, allowing you to switch between free spinning and tactile scrolling, which can be super handy when you're switching between weapons or skills. Plus, the Chroma RGB lighting adds a personal touch to your setup. Here's why this matters for you. Having that level of customization can massively impact your gaming experience, letting you execute commands faster and more efficiently. Now, some people noted that it may feel a bit bulky for small hands. But honestly, if you have larger hands or prefer a more substantial feel, this mouse is a dream. It's designed for comfort during long gaming sessions, so it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a highly customizable gaming mouse with an ergonomic design. Skip this one if you have smaller hands or prefer a lighter mouse. For under $35, it's a fantastic deal for what you get. Finally, let's wrap up with one more Razer option that's also a great choice for gamers. Product number 5, Razer DeathAdder Essential. Last but not least is the Razer DeathAdder Essential, available for $24.98. This mouse has been a staple in gaming for years, and it's easy to see why. If you want a dependable classic option, this is worth checking out. The DeathAdder features a 6400 DPI optical sensor and 5 programmable buttons, making it versatile for both gaming and creative tasks. The mechanical switches are durable, rated for up to 10 million clicks, which means you won't have to worry about it failing on you anytime soon. Here's why this matters for you. The durability combined with precision tracking means you can rely on this mouse for intense gaming sessions without any hiccups. Some users have said it can feel a bit heavy compared to other mice. But here's the thing, that added weight can actually help with control and stability, especially during high-stakes gameplay. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and durable gaming mouse that won't let you down. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight. For just under $25, it's a solid investment for any gamer. That brings us to the end of our list. So to wrap it up, we covered the BENGOO gaming mouse, Redragon M612 Predator, Logitech G305, Razer Basilisk V3, and Razer DeathAdder Essential. Each of these mice offers unique features that cater to different gaming styles and budgets. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a highly customizable option, there's a great choice here for everyone. Happy gaming!